is finally in Davao, so it feels like old times catching up with Lance even after a year apart. I mean, we do chat from time to time, but nothing beats real life talks.
Di ba sabi mo na di mo ko iiwan? Ay na para bang wala palit sa'yo. Nagising ka nang makita mo hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan.
The day after, so we chilled at Chang's and decided to check out the Kadayawan Food Bazaar at a nearby park. Chang and Lance are finally meeting for the first time. Lance is a bit awkward because he got a cutesy mistake to Chang Chang, but we're still, of course, friends. We also reunited with Fritzy, who's been in Manila too, and later after that, we chilled at the park and talked about life.
Kaagad. Tapos, paalis ko, nagatingin siya sa akin. Tapos, alam mo ano sabi niya? Kikwento ako. Ang sabi niya sa akin, dandan is, akala ko mag-hug ka sa akin. Akala, kami naman to si Red Doors Girl. Maybe this time